See, which plant is that? Ah, this is the peperomia. Yeah, it's a correct match.
Peperomia caperata.
Okay, so that's a good one. So it correctly identified this peperomia. Google Lens. Ano gagawin natin? What are we going to do for today? We're going to try out. So yeah, this is Google Lens. So you can use Google Lens to identify objects by taking a photograph of them. So you can like it's set now for search. So if you search for this plant, it will be able to identify the plant, or it should. The results there, it says Dieffenbachia sequin. So is that accurate?
Dalawa palang klase yan.
Oh, there are different kinds. But did it hit the mark?
Mas mukha niya.
It's Dieffenbachia. So this is Dieffenbachia. So we're sure this is a Dieffenbachia. Okay, moving on to this. Let's try this plant. Let's try this plant.
So, this one.
Oh, this plant. This is a. I know this is a fortune plant, right? So it says here, Guyana chestnut. Is that correct? No. Is it a fail?
Safe ba?
No, I think it failed. So I think it's failed with this plant.
Ito.
Okay, let's try this plant. See, which plant is that? Ah, this is the peperomia. Yeah, it's a correct match.
Peperomia caperata.
Okay, so that's a good one. So it correctly identified this peperomia. Google Lens. Let's try this one. So what's this plant? What is this plant?
Peperomia din yata.
It's also a peperomia. Isn't that a lightning plant? Okay, and the result says
Pitonia.
yeah, this is a petunia. It says nerve plant. There, petunia, pitonia.
Yun yan.
So yes, it's another correct identification by Google Lens.
And
How about this one? Let's try this one. What plant is this?
dwarf silum yan
This is a dwarf saloon. Okay, let's see. Start to see. Okay.
Ulit.
Okay. Start to see with the sunlight.
Yan, nababago yung kulay niya eh.
Okay.
Ganito na lang. Ito muna. So, yung paso ang nabasa.
It's identified the pot.
Yung paso ang nakita niya. Ito.
Okay, let's see. Says, does it say?
Alocasia odora. Hindi eh.
Not?
Ano? Silum to eh.
Taro. It says taro. It's an allocation. Is it the same?
Hindi.
No, okay, so that's a fail. So it's fail for this one.
Hindi yan. Mali siya. Mali.
Okay, let's try another plant. This one. You said you couldn't remember the name of this plant.
Naalala ko na.
Yeah, but this, can Google Lens identify it? Does it say?
Devil's ivy.
It's potholes.
Pero hindi niya i-specify kung ano siya. Pero, it's enjoy eh. Dapat enjoy ko.
Okay, so at least it identified the plant.
Baka kasi na-confuse siya dito. Wait lang. Ito lang dapat.
And the results are
Hindi pa rin.
still potholes.
Syngonium pa nga nakalagay.
Oh, another fail. Okay.
Ang syngonium ko, ito.
Let's try the syngonium. Will it correctly identify this plant? Still says devil's ivy.
Hindi.
Another fail. This one. This is a
Begonia.
begonia plant.
Hindi pa rin. Baka nahihilo siya ngayon.
Try again. Begonia.
Begonia.
But it did not identify the specific plant.
Parang
It knows it's a begonia,
sumunod natin.
but needs further search.
Yung talaga lumalabas. Pati pa doon kanina sa Enjoy, lumabas to.
Yeah.
Syngonium. Ito yung Syngonium. Dwarf Syngonium.
Let's try it on the dwarf syngonium. What does it say?
Arrowhead plant. Syngonium yan.
It's close enough. Still a fail. It says taro. Close enough. See what else?
Ikot tayo.
Move around. Let's go around.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Saan?
That is... What is that?
Romeo din. Ephesia.
Ephesia. That's a correct identification.
Ephesia.
Yeah, it knows it's an ephesia.
And my little...
And this is also an ephesia. Pilea.
Peperomia. Tama siya.
Peperomia.
Ayan.
Is it the correct plant?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Mm.
So it seems Google Lens is a fairly accurate, about 50-50. Or maybe 60-40, you know. Maybe 60% of the time it can correctly identify the plant, although not specifically. Did it correctly identify that plant?
Ayan.
This one?
Turtle vine to, pero iba yung sinabi niya.
Oh, so another fail. How about that croton?
Oh, tingnan mo.
Did it say? Croton. It's a croton.
Hindi eh. Ibang flowering plant yun.
Oh, it just identify the colors.
Ano? Leucadendron. Is a
Yes, the colors are the same, similar, but
flowering plant.
yeah,
Croton to
it's
eh.
not. That's a total fail. So it just identified the colors.
Ito kaya.
That's a begonia.
Ephesia.
Ephesia, yes. Ephesia.
Ayan. Tumama
Yes,
naman
it's a
siya.
correct identification. It says here, let me focus. Ephesia cupreata. Ephesia cupreata. Calatea. That's a calatea, right? Correct? Yes.
Pero ito yun eh. Hindi ito yan eh. Ito yan. Oh.
So you just have to select on your own.
Ito yan eh.
Yeah. So it's still fairly okay. No? It can help us.
Spot.
That is the Prince of Orange.
Na-identify ko. Philodendron lang nakalagay. Pero,
But it is correct.
philodendron. Pero
Okay, okay.
hindi specific.
Yeah, not specific but still correct.
Ayan.
Why is that plant withering?
Ha?
It's withering.
Oo nga.
It needs water.
Kasi nga nagdidilig
This,
pa ako, diba? Hindi ako
this is a
nakapagdilig
yellow bell.
kahapon.
Try to identify this one. Here. Yellow bell. Alamanda cathartica. I think it's fairly accurate, right? Fairly.
Siguro nga. Ayan, yellow juice.
Yellow jasmine. Just what? Jessamine. Yellow jessamine. There you go. Is that correct, guys?
Kung matama niya yung Adansonia.
Okay, we're going to try it on the Monstera Adansonia. Correct?
Sweet cheese.
Ah, yes. Swiss cheese plant. Alright.
Tumama naman.
Alright.
Tumama naman siya.
How about that one? The umbrella plant.
Ito. Hmm.
Correct? This
Kasi
is
iba yung tawag sa iba,
Cyprus
di ba?
alternifolius.
Pero tama naman siguro.
Yes, this is paper reed. I guess so. Nice. And of course, if you try to identify these Coleus plant, it will not be able to, or I think it might not be able to identify the specific kind of Coleus, but it will successfully identify it as a
Coleus.
Coleus. Yeah.
Pero wala yung...
Yeah, try it on another Coleus plant, like this one, with the curly leaves. And it says Coleus, same thing.
Hindi niya na ano ko yung klaseng Coleus siya.
Did it correctly match the...
Hindi.
That's close enough, see? Yeah. But what kind of Coleus is that? Who knows?
Medyo iba din eh.
Yeah, yeah. So you think it's a fairly good app? Fairly. No, I think it's, for me, I think it will be a very useful application to identify plants because I hardly know most of the plants that we buy. I only know, I learn a thing or two as we buy, but that's it. This one, what plant is this? Try it.
Wandering Jew.
Yeah, let's try it on this wandering Jew plant.
Baka napakonfuse siya pag may kasama siyang bata.
Inch plant?
Hindi yan purple heart.
Oops.
Paulitin ko.
Yeah.
Yun talaga yung sinasabi.
Let's see.
Hindi yan.
It
Ito yung
doesn't
Moses
say.
eh.
Oh, this is Moses cradle. Not this one. But it recognized the pattern. Says Moses in the cradle, right? That's good. That's good. Yeah. So yeah. Would you recommend Google Lens for identifying plants?
Hindi din.
No. Okay,
Kasi
fair
paano
enough.
kung ako, hindi ko alam yung name ng plant.
Yeah. So
So, maniniwala ako sa sinabi niya.
you can't believe it 100%. But at least you'll get an idea. So I think that's the good use.
Kasi kung ikaw walang alam sa name ng plant, sa paniniwala mo yung sinabi niya lahat. Pero kung alam mo, syempre alam mo, ay, mali.
Alright. So guys, if you know of any app which can help us identify plants close to 100%, do let us know in the comment section. So there you go for this episode. Like, subscribe, share on Facebook, and what? I already said that.
And watch my video, my vlog.
Okay. Bye-bye.